Adom FM.
Edwe fa mo toy na mo kama kuma ntomo ye mabe wate.
Biti mi reina. I say anyway. Biti my question. I say answer. Many ring wasida. Oh, many ring wasida. Many ring wasida. Many nyamya. Machineti. Many ring wasida. Many ring wasida. Many ring wasida. Many nyamya. Machineti. Many ring wasida.
Adom FM. Adom FM. Adom FM.
Oh, on the crumple. Niye huwa. Okay, bemu.
Hey.
I said, Gina, what for me said. Nida penti, many ring wasida.
Na wo wade wo to awrade so no ade nyina de boa wo.
Niye huwa.
Na ewie wonye.
Okay, bemu.
Any disappointment in your life.
What for me said. Nida
But me kopɛ spiritual action.
wasida.
Bulldozer ka ho.
Many
With the two ase wo abrabo wate. Said ye tie bia. Minim se eden.
wasida.
Cause baby wonam ne nya wo nko na wonam ho.
Nini nyamya.
Ye nyina ye nam ho.
Many ring wasida.
Ekom no bra nya wo nko na de ho. Wahwe ya be mistake wo be ka se baby ayeti. Nkrofo we mo nya wo ho oboa.
Many ring wasida. Many nyamya.
Eye wunti aye says ye hye ho den yetimi aba. Wuntre wo.
Many ring wasida.
Ti sukom na de wo na bi de ye. Ekom na de wo na bi de ye. Adwendwe na ya wodwen no yenso ye dwene bi. Baby wonam na hwa. Nanso ya hye ye ho den se Ewurade etimi yo ni nyina. Etima abonto yam na hunu se eyere so se danya. Ewurade a wama Joseph enwu kwam empo ye de ne sha menam no. Sa Yehowa no onja wa jeje mu obe make sure obe hwe se bibia esese ton ma enema edane no ebe ton ma na dane. Hi Adom 106.3 DWASO NSEM. Smart ni medin edukumi be ma ewa hasan no hima sejuwa hwenipa. All the other names in ma twam madam for because by the power invested in me nam say
Invested and uninvested.
Power or by all the powers invested in me nam say braj na.
How much investment is that?
Mami kwa amana so na feminine lawyer Dennis of Su appear. Mbon komo enano pay emfa brekum and some yashase if you dey twem Adom praise dano na edito aso eye enra na ye pese ye hwe ne fan so baby akwakosie a lawyer fo ho asem no ese lawyer what be nka me mo cha no pay
ya wache obetio ni for ni wa for ni kana mai don't afraid
me jidi ese bibia e boko
ye go to ga ka yo man
yenso nyame Adom ye ho ye
okay
la wo hwe asem de ye course wo brekum twanitia sa akwada ojina ba ho adwonso so wura fie no mu na odwonso ne ade yenya ho ho na nkasa yie papa na obi bisa no se wo ye den osemedwonso no we so ne nsa no wa fatuo pain pre no wawie na so twe na se na koto ball no so so ye den no koda ho won akopie na apacha sa de kye na akwada no eda ball so ne papa be hwe anse posifo e ba be fa no de na ko etwa fa wanim kakra wate emra kwan so no then atosin and then you beat me aye makoda na timi enya justice
let me say asemi first about you say say the very keep up na akwala anajo akwejina obisi anajo na eja sebe ogun so kaka na eja de fie ni dia se na akulade na pe ofie ha na gi me gun so na tio ejina o she ite sa yo e we fam ha abani 9 years na ma ba ko de Dr. Foychefri. If you want to anajua semesi nipa se namsu se obone ho ban osurunti na wo hu bi oni fi obutu na obutu area se okobeko police station na oko report for anko police station no atama play na odna ko to bola so amadiati ansani dipa papa fu hunu akotam ni na hospital ya ko bi ni se enna mi do ay boy any adie ko sa de adie boni tim kan the number for chefio chefio ama asem no akopi police fu enim police fu so tomu ni sim ayu chema sama cheni panwe tu so ayu chema ma fu aso yewie ya police fu ya ejina akolai entemone ne papantem eni onipa waye se adie a wa usha na wasi afim ojomu mi ntem na for 7,000 dollars no ade ama papa so ade tua hospital bills if you are na police force okay asemi ye hena yakana obi akopin baby ata enti enaya yeche ezi epene edi atisia like Roman and the 3,500 enti brabe sign paper papa oba edi dem sing brabe sign paper na papa so adinisa akotim paper so the major 3,500 akoton na ma play na jamaja sem no amesi social assemblyman for university enti ensem no akoye de ho se man bia yetim a asemra no de ya se survive for you na ho na me magio the ti akola so be justice justice belongs to the state in this fact your way it belongs to the state ba ko ni se sa oni akoya we decide me I say ojina emreni na mra neneka na semra se yen fanche no na yen hwani nye bibi fofora ya ya ene ba ko uria papa nankasa ne ba no omonso I say omunya justice eno no emremu no enye tribunal justice system civil action the torture battery assault. This is what we call in law tortious action and also home. And assemblyman or public officer out the assembly. I saw bomb mine home by which is a mumbraso. And also and the police was some and say a same senior reporter. You do an investigation. If you want to seek an advice from a higher authority in terms of law, you send it to the Attorney General Department, Minister of Justice, and then you seek an advice. Have you done that? They haven't. And if you don't do that, it means that you are on top of the law. Remember what you are here? Well, it means because Attorney General to me say, have you gone to the court? These are the issues that we need to put down and deal with. Now, the kind of say, Papa na obutu you know semi and so. Now, was are the abakola with this system? Yes, Obia may woman, and not so to or Japadi so put to fear. Now, say, who are the be bow so a bit timid them about so or find so bomb and the offense said. And no one got our body negative, he made with Nipediano, which may bomb by. Memory, no, that is what we say when you are under attack. Who bet me up home by to the point of killing, and you'll be free. The right to use force is allowed by the law. And that right to use force is and also a memorable home by. Remember how? And one guy said, "Partners, no say, who proper, no say, who be the sofa, who be to me any family, any member sofa." Also, no, quite as we combine. And no, I just said you can protect your property, your point of death, to allow. And Obia, ya didn't show us it. The one Casa Obawa, and that's a nipa. About yeah, okay, so as a guardian, or Yeri, Lucia, almost show us it. But when they are under attack, the law also allows you to use whatever form of force to protect them, as you protect your own self. And you will say, Papa, not to the fear, was he under attack in such a way, said he did to protect himself? And as the property be her, na was it an attack? And in case of both sides, Japadian home buying. And as the Nipa Bia, a any bat, and as was Shenasi, Lucia, own she was an attack. I saw one by. Facts now represented in Shusa. Two things said, Nipa, why not doing so be the teacher? Okay, the children to not be using anyhow. And I see. And he is not justified in any way to use force. Now, even when you are using force when you are allowed, a man also, like I said, you can't use excess force. A force that is not proportionate to the attack. A harmless boy, 16-year-old boy without a weapon inside the house tonight. Even if he came there to do something wrong, maybe unlawful entry, and stealing, or whatever. The force you are using, 2 shots, leg, in the sense that one of them is now amputated. In addition to hit the thing with a weapon, he said, what attack required that kind of use of force to that extent? And the fact now, in terms of even the criminal justice and what somebody is allowed in terms of use of force, that again, a man is not justified. So, why would the police look at this fact and then still turn himself into a mediator or arbitrator, arrogate the law itself and become something outside the law? So you deal with the policeman there. Well, okay, so let me listen to your question.
And see, the Mibu San say, baby, I do say, then Aka. Then,
the Aka, me say, the actually, Monsieur said, I mean, it's legal habit, and say, Midland issue and the rest of it, ABC. So I'm sure so, mind with my same ABC, NT. Police officer now would be asking them. I say, they have to listen and put him before the law, and the law must deal with him. Now, Akola Neneka is entitled to compensation. But the man that would take care of his life and whatever he stands to lose to the point of the ability of that man to pay. And no, police. And assemblyman, police, and the you need to find a lawyer for the man, and then of course, it's a minor. So if it's 16, then it might be 17 by now. So a minor. And the man here, a lawyer who understands those issues, so that we put the right legal stream to work, and the young man gets a compensation that can take care of him to the extent of the ability of that man to pay.
I'll be very glad, saying a quiet war. Now I'll be to defend the Aqualana. My it's just a humble appeal. Say, quiet war. I know won shada ni adaje santina ma
and somebody even before the General Legal Council and the rest of it, we have a duty to have to do pro bono to 10% of whatever we do in a year. So matters like this, I'm sure that finding near when you know Macrona, yeah, that side, no, we can talk behind the scenes.
Okay, then.
Okay,
then, lawyer.
Yeah. And what in addition to that, so that is a young man and his family and what he stands to. And again, we will have to look at an issue of the psyche of the man. You see, sometimes these mental issues and the rest of it, we take it for granted. Mental health. Because you want to ask yourself, what will happen? And you see, in so one of our colleagues in law firm, he was in Thailand for so long. I said, also, every year, you'll be a hearing again. You'll be out mad after because it's so dangerous. You understand?
Anything can happen at any time. Yes.
So we need to look at that one as well. And then, of course, a parent. You see, we are. It's as if that because of some economic issue in this country, sometimes we pretend to be more handler than what it is. And the man himself also has played a role after the fact in a manner that is not good enough for their own child. We also want to look at, and maybe that one requires some form of education across board. And above all, an institution of state and how people should conduct their affairs within law. We like taking things for granted and acting outside the law too many times. And that affects the total psyche in the conduct of the people in the country in the way we handle matters. That's also important. So let us look at all these matters. But for the policeman and for the young man, we can handle it.
All right.
So we can talk about it behind it.
Okay then. To lawyer want to pay my men now as BBS Travis Sanfred. Lawyer Dennis Ofuswapia and now to say MelanoEbonkoma Kwada. No Mamen Kwa Man so tata ne berma akwsia mankwa on a national coordinator Magana NGO Coalition on the Right of the Child. Ejama kwa mache.
Yeah, Japanese.
Na bibia bokode.
Ya mi Adom na onso e.
Oba de ada Roma ye ho odin pa.
But
Wadaroma, Aquadaya, you can assume in the right bane yetitia so. The fan who bane yetitia so say.
Madam CP, the decay, Nada Adom FM, and especially morning show. Monia Modia di Assemia Chipa. Ye can't Aquadana far who dear yetitia so dear, a ye baby. The decay, a ye na po modern far who dear. Yetia so the Santos no Sisia Bofra no so yetia no fa hu di so a entimi kra e ma no nko school because enam say yetwa ne number akonti oni akande a odeko the Santos bi ye hwe na pom nyinyi mu a Sisia nso kra ye san tietia ne fa hu di so ho enema the friend say participation and nso kra yetia ne fa hu di so because they say no yenya akande amana untimi ne namfofo kra edni agro na je se abofra ne da abraba ne pese ewie pe
eti we nyina no emwa ben na wo ho hyehye ben na wo ho ebetimi aboa no
yedi kan as a coalition no ade a ye ne say we are going to stand on behalf of the child as a friend of the court na ye de niema aton krata so na de se ye bia ma akwala no de su nya no wonya nti ene ya lawyer for the ekasa se be ya sem ne chine ya police station ho no ye be san akọ akọhwe ekwan be fa so a case no bitimi akọkọ tani monimu ya because they say asem no me dwene ho ehwe ni ti hwe ne formality ase ba kokura na eha mekese ene say akwada no ba ye de akwada no call hospital no e de asem na a doctor for an answer nurse for e wo ho no etimi busa ya nti omutimi go ahead etimi ka say this should happen can the first place no kra no esen ko mu kwaje police report kra years no mo diaba ba hwe asem ni ma na je we nyina ankoso
okay
nese nkrofo pi wo ho a esenka asem no komu hwe se enka de to no ye de beto ama abofra no ato na san nkrofo pi ni nyina no o ma anyo modwuma ye
bana sa na koda no fa hodie ye tetia so no won ye adwuma no so anya ne yie no wo enkoda fa hodie ho bambo no asotwe bi wo ho ma won etesa no
asotwe wo ho na awohwe the friends children's act ni ma cancer na se asemsi ewo akola ayi a ye wo ne ma ese na omu a omu da ntemu a omu andi se adwuma ni nyina nso emrano the friends several case no you can take that one against them as well.
Anya bia no ma lawyer for no money won wedi nkomo ma nya nti se masoma lawyer akọ patro sanete
patro sanete enra ye ne me lawyer ba ko ne ye enkyerɛkyerɛ wo sunyan ho nti ne kasa e mo kasa obedi akire nti anope na ese me bonu so na hwede ekosi ye
nti echna na police for na ma yate asese be court menim se echna lawyer na be court ho bia.
Okay, ne menya sa NTA de ne menso maka kire no na wadi akire na ehu de be because nka we are same way keni kwa senka ba na nka senka ye die wi kura da na ze bio etise obi di bibia bo tirim na emu ja nwinu mu no ye pese eku akwada no
obi asend me message bi but one wo krom one so ebinim so kasa I say captain it was a gated house, but this boy entered to go and steal the bike in the house. Said what Nana making. Yeah, the man did wrong thing for shooting the boy's foot. But then again, he was right for protecting his property.
Lady Kaino. Papa no, where Obubeka say, Utieti 70 ma. When she took Akrano from a long distance, or Kochia Akrano. Sebio, there's one Koche Kromfua. The Dikan say, let's say police station Kura any Kronuma. The Dikan Pines or Yenese, so my assemblyman assaulted, and as a unit committee. Many unit committee and assemblyman for Nkasa, no, they say they are not aware, but they are aware that Papa Bia should to Akola. Na, yes, Antosimiano. A DNT na a gated house okra a DNT na wochi akra na for nanko police station na se bi ufa mra ne shon sem na ye de ope mesre se kromufo no mukeka sa ansem no omunhwe e wo ma no because na ye de akobi so kina betimi aba so
eja man kwa no pay da se bibia sia ye be santo safre ye be hwede ye be koso akina na nyame yadom efiada nso de ye be to ebisine ye de betudwa there are Sipa Berma Akosia Mankwai, National Coordinator Magana NGO Coalition on the Right of the Child. And that is a NNOD Asemi Enkuta Hon Krum one so some Koso Sakodano Hadria Kaka.
I can say
so hard.
Ye niasem emuate na mum diasino. Emuasem na lawyer yi bisa asem se okoto akwadano. Na adenti na wanfa kwala na nko police station eno na nchen owie ye no aden no man so ede no free ni fie ho ekokoto baabi foforo de atoso biewu enu nyina achi no aden no wan ko report amma police
kwajo uti asem ni ma won asempa yitia yemfa ne sa akwada no ya akwada bone yemfa ne so wokọ so wokọ akodi bone
so ye kromfo kra
e na wo wakọ akọche no e de na mara ne
ka wo agina hwawi
e de na mara ne ka wo che kromfo ye ne den
Edneko police station.
We any William and Kabusian for yaw. Opinion Adam Muhammad then what is the difference? We the year na nyame na year na dumu will become so that ball so.
Ko wi. E check it we bin ka kwada no wi.
Ko wi. Na wo ye wie ye na de ba adwene ne ba utrim ti a wotam nipa mu a enkwatene mu de ne kwoto ball so te sa aboa. Na esa wo na nkasa no adwen bi wo utrim. E wo sa mrane ne di. Enra say when the police when need come on me na metie utie asem ni mu ya ye fancy police ni no what the adwempa any two one am so okay de ma mehwe na empata bi ho a ye empata se de bi ebetimi ahwa akora ne ade na so acha Ye onipa bebre ho a omo nam ha obi sei mu a omunya kamafo a omo hye dem
na nei me de bia me ka se sasemba na efa police for ho a yentwe ye boye nsusu kwan efa so kan ya no me kakra mahu ni se enkronkuma mu police for brekum eye metropolitan enye kroketo a nanso obu ho no mu a na o wa akra na okuma se de ne kokodru municipal ye de ne kokodru baby tisa na adwene so maba krase me de bia me ka se krase police ni suban ani krom police ni ya na nsonsonie wo okokodru krase omo wo mere omo de ye adwuma okokodru krom omo se de omo ye adwuma ena ejina nipa na asem aba no so ansa na obehu se emra ye adwuma se police fo ni wa ya setena mbe ya den. I always say this se police ni eni hono mo a wi asetena nye de omo adaromenti ena asomdwe wo ebi fom na mom de ebi wo ha omo fom aye na omo fom no mu aye ya enti ye ka enye se bia obi anisa police adwuma no ana se bia police ye ni omo ana ye na mom ebinum wo ho no mo a omo ma nipa sefem eno ne ma eto de bia wanhwe no wakasa mo no akwakotra na akwakodru ba bitime se
ye kan tutu ampa sa abofrei sabe nkoye odifuo bi ba woye panini bi ba anasa nkoye police ni bi ba nti ka asem wi afe nki yen kan ye
ye judicial system na se enye ho adwuma. I think your judicial system is very, very strong. Ebeboa. Unim police for ebo modia chichi akromfo kumase. Womo do mo kokota. Ni ejawo. No masa kwachi the same microphone na ababium. And the former Ashanti Regional Police Commander sisi wajawo ye lawyer me refi ni din kakra. No na ye head of Interpol. Me refi ni din.
Because na interview.
Yeah. On my show, okay, can't be charged for no.
And I said, on no credit bufu ye. Me kai say ye ne ayi, emra na tetere hu no oye enkran police panyimpane na twetwe nkomo. E ma ho ka say hwe. Am robber watwe tuo de asi police fo so. Na police fo anku no. O mayire o mo ho akwakoche no. Wo ba court wo de judge or de ayi lawyers 12 en wo de ba. Why you say as your prosecution a police one aye. It is a onya lawyers 12 o maben a omba bu mu ntokuru. Afi be wiase ne agya na sa kromfo na ye agya na wasa de tu abisi police for so no aboni tu akuno
ti yen share judicial system here. Sometimes it's very frustrating what you are frustrated or disappointed now refu who dey say
yeah
obekai say kwame watin ye ayibi em say brothers at war say dey Emma police ni ba ko be ka say tu pa wotin wona so mo atifido mantem wo efiri so ba police dwumako no monti bi da amedru ba bi cross ya bre ya all right Kako munya bi.
Aka 3 minutes to 8.
No interruption.
Ye monitor to me enkoye nim. Ya fa the new crusading guide obokrata en fan chance man panyine na nado dan kokufu ado. Was in the Jumadi would be planting for food and jobs. Nipa bi persuade wo reggae SN high life. Wo persuade sa abosia de gu ne garim. Garin so abon mode di ni do gum. Na ni nyina da NSN nipa bi twetwe nase. A chese fertilizer no de beba no manfo awia. Equipments ahodo wo se de boa no manfo bi ayin nkwanta. Wo se saafo ni nyina da wo bom kokko. Mo ahweye wo bechi motum. Na asofo yi a ejam de wo so mo sra wo motom yi. Wo mu ba ko de friend se osofo kirabosom. Wo se nipa bi se wo bubu. Wo mu bu inti shashasha. Ishi. Na Manchester in Sembia Tuja, Dr. Ni Ajay Okraku, and a word and a center what in Sembi, so my peninda da John Dramani Mahama and Opinion Babin, and Sembi Bomontaman in another F for Penina Dana, ye in the so mayor so for Merahin, some so, was one movie and almost some no more canet. Wa panyini babe nsem na wo kan na membre kwanso sasabiam sabia nya do sabioku obi a wadi dem ye ben so soafo ne nanam kodi kasubom ne de entwa yi o ma panyini mahama so de ba na amafo fam a so yi sa nipa no so wo kyeresa amambre ne to da bi etimi dane no sa de be ye mrada no ma betimi akoyi etu de no ma egu nsane ne o munyina o masem ne de ne mom twema metwe ne ma akorabo enti we di ceasefire ubia enkana no ntum ene
the insight democrat anu de biaba wose odoko official town na no na wotwe awie ye eka to na bro anka manfo kokoche ECD adwumefo sen wo mahoma adan ye se electricity meters ya ye de bre wo mo no anisasam nti omudu ahiafo no mu a wo mo de light pole ho enti sensu oto na aka ne adum na wo se ode o card no kokose mansa na ase ato agisa wo fa nsu kokogina light pole ase enu kura hu na sanyinam ka ne to che na eche wa na ye ndenu so o maka kan penifo hwe ECG so e wo mala no potamu so mu fi na no sa meters na bobo obodan ho no ebi ejato mu na woche awieye e ma se nyame amfa fi a anka de esi ye na enye eno no de atudwa ese nyame ni nipa ni mu ni ese de amafo no de yam hyehye sori ahemache no me ensa brem ebra meter no a ebopo ho no ejato mu no mu dwane ni nkeka ho na wo mani abrensa nka ECG adwuma ni bi pie ho no mu a anka wonte asem de nti wosrese sa meter na ye de bobo light pole ho no wo mu nyai sanse de bia ejatom so aya na de esini ya na ani nyefe we the inside democrat no ene de aba ena wo se sanitation ahunidie eni ensuansu ani aye bono madam Cecilia dapa ya wo no ene soafo ya wo hyesa so ye no so de tudwa se ade achi ade san fi mini na emene Ganafo emfa ho ni zoom lion ne ya damfie o maye tizeti nano yeto aba utwai asadu mu bre to tokas akese se yeso bola nyina achi efi mene Ghana enti ye ne ehuni na fe enwuma ko nsoso a wo mo sesa nwura no wonye wadwuma yie se be efi ne betimi ate so
ye fa daily graphic democrat na emfanto aso ne wode aba beto monten wose bosumi ewumi ne da eto so du ba ko na ze ohwema aka ne fo mako nsia na double track system ne be sha se ye adwuma ne esi adesuafo 490,514 eno mbenya akwanya na afi free senior high school no wode wo ho agimu bie na wosofo no ekyirima na yese wohwema adesuafo kwotro bi si so hwena mu be so hama bu padu okro de akwanya abeda ho a woko eniti emu nsem ha na hwa nso a wose agric ministry so ya eno ne hwekwa yo nsem so wo mamu wakwa akwaji sika bi ne $260 million wode ba be boase de be planting for food and jobs ebetumi akoso ebi wo ha de beto fertilizer ebi wo de beto tractor ye bi beto nkrante se de be yakuafo benya bia do Wellington boot ni ade a aban so wo hwa ni mu se betumi aboa amakwa yo ho nsem apagya
ene the delegate democrat no to aso se NDC amanyoko no ani abre wo se 2020 wo pesa kwan bia so samba power nti wo mo tetete akuo bia ebi ye from dragons ebi ye lions and afi hawks ya wo munyina eye militia fo ya wo de ombe ye adwuma se de bia 2020 wo betimi adi nkonim ti democrat delegate and abomu amayen ase edunkati must go adan ya wo se Alote Jacob say wa ye no ho mafia and wa headquarters aboso de o kan na ye adwuma ono no wampuso a enyaka enti nya ye nto aba enti ano wo mo abato kese a eba be kosuma fe bagre dam no yesi abie na awurawura nkrofo afie nkrofo pesa nso wei etetetetete Egypt fo kura mpo tetetetetete amza Ghana kura ne nchechireye eye canal said to ye fra omunso ye friend is river now mu ema na akuafo yusu ye de ebie nso a na ba be yirawura nkrofo afie mu na akum nipa eti bagre dam yesi abie sebi ye nim de adi nso ye nti ya ma na ewura nkrofo afie mu a ebubu nkrofo adan enu ne ye be kope China Ghana nkwada mbaba yezam sa bokope ya mbeche wa momeni mbenya asem mapanisi ankwape China ne kopi etitintiti enya ntiti na anka abo akokọ nka ontitini ho na no etitini ho
copy economy no nya kro no copy exam
copy bia ya copy every copy is copy mapanisi ankwape China so the China for de wani to from dwen wo ma ho China first na ene China atimi anyina dum pempenso ayekọ wo mo bosia bono ekokọje bosia de yensa asimu agudie esi awo 100 years no yensua wo mo ne yeso ya mani ntimi nyina na so ntine copy ena mapani e de abre yen
Chronicle the Obokrata was off for the chair. What I went to some so women and Fujin the hay. What Penny Hrima was say MP Snippy Hoa. Say, the container be Pim or Port Aberhano, no may in Quantanoma de Conneca and elbow may in an Indian Diaphas of Bonimobia. Say custom for essence or Moka who be no more shame Rashiba Jafun Kutupa. Emma San no money cost when Tiene, new quite titles Grover and what is my barber to Jav which say, says to Bambon and Roman Foncho home every home. Essence and quiet that a Tanus and Binom. Sagana Kuye, a bite Minas can what the raw man said the Tibia and a home for people will be a Benabi. 18 Rashiba Jafono, Edica went to home for custom. When I say Subamboneno, Nagana, Conan, Naran, yes, it's Kakrabia for Fra. They say Yakofadia by Emrekes Kakrabia in Umbumu, Consolidated Bank. Yes, you have futum, Sika 200,000 Ghana cedis, and on I'm swami, so any Pabiasi do Maku Pimo Cotra, Yadikwa bombs or when a boss acrono into Umbra no me you one chronicle.
And another Democrat the find down Susunie and was say ya chra dwen e dia chra ban so obey yan hyehyeye a ibegina so dia bo mine na ye nkyre adwen a ye de ye adwuma be ye obi timi kwakotena se wakwa university na wakwa brochira banti ene ye wo hyehye neoma na policy bi ngran aban de ye adwuma no hwe system ne ye neoma ye de adwuma enye ye enti wo say ye provide workable recommendations ema government the policies osafo mafo senior minister enaja ote hunti onim de ekoso a wo de aba betudwa afei kane no mafo kra neoma ne bebedu porter ye se bre wo so mu yi ne timi twam na di moreja che no esisesei bebo sumi nsia ne hyehye pa wo de agu akwan mu ewo Shippers Authority nti Shippers Authority na eka say amadi mortgage swat 21% na chese niam eyeyi amafo wo mo agapade ana eka mu no sese yatimi ehwa so eno yensam a Democrat dia ba copy esan wo Democrat yechi
yanko Herald Democrat no emu na National Service Scheme. Yes, secretariat na mpanyufo atiska bi 12 million Ghana cedis e de akwakoto hyen a kyerese wo modem nyehye no nko yes wo makoto mahye de tubo hu ene no mahudu bi na eno ena de obokrata itrim se na sentem na ban de betu dwa se sabe wo hwe wo mai yafutro ma emugedegede te sa krafofro num kapre montoma no entinya de wo bi akwakoto ka se wo ya so ye anaso wo hye aban ase se wo ya aban adwumaku we no akwakoto ka na so National Service for the wose wanti se dogo bi kuru no abe wakwakoto ka 12 million ene wo modem na yesin from ebofo motro mu pa na adwumayefo ni bibu afu sabe oba ho na behwe o maketua ho nsensem pa enkoyie na ne aketua no fia wa bi te se nkura ba shoelace na so mpanyifo ni dia no wodi oga de twopam nyafunyafu ne de obokrata friend se Herald de won samaba na ra ase anso ye se IMF wo ma ye confusion e basa wo madwenem ni nyina da ene se eja etua forest ban eso wo kwakwaje besia every China for no maba betu bauxite na yes IMF obu ofu se wo hwe ma ekatwitwiri die pa wo mabo wo sa forest na eho no na ko hwe ni musa nkeja wo de makoma ba de borbor ba de no ma wo de chen campaign for bebo ho ban na so aban de akwaji sika akosi awade a no wo ne IMF wo asem kan ne no ene wo so afo wo ne hwe sika sam nsem so wo se IMF wo mo hyada ntensem na sentie nei wo kwa no akosi no akwacheche IMF mu Herald de obokrata
ene Ghanaian Times dia wa wonsam ba kwa ba ne feto so me sanse ha ene wosinipa makomaku numu a wo me maame adwuma bi Forestry Commission ena wo makwa kwahia nkwanhia kese ewadwaso ama wo mahwere wo mo nkwa emu agya nipa makomaku num ene sadwo enye yie ena wodi mu arehosem ama ne abababo ekua ni bi a wakuni ba ene ni neighbor na chese obi one ne bo afipam wo wi ono ahwe egya na ebobo ba na wantimi anyina no enti ono suso akunu hu bi eno ene samu Democrat wode aba
ye fro de ane emfa today the Democrat emfa to aso today the Democrat was here ne wo baya sama wode ba nyina da ene se World Bank fo mu buofu pa sa de Herald de baye no wo mo se o mo boka ne ka o mo bo no Ghana de hye ne Ghana mpanyufo ya amana ye kahunu esanse tua forest wo ma boka pa wo ho nanso mpanyufo afa boga anye swan kwa akwaji lundia ne ne wo so ba monti no bekirim se de ekoso no wani enye ho wo ye today the Democrat
Adom 106.3 yedane ye ho aba na na de yenda ne ma te se de yenda no jana no ohye